Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had given free calls in our premium group as well as in the free group. So what we had given in the morning, we have given 47,800 call option to buy from 360. Before we tell you that we had purchased at 340 and then only we posted in the group. So most of the YouTubers, what they will do, they will never trade, they will just recommend the trades. So in our case and few of others who are doing deliberately, that they will be taking the trades along with the traders. So this is how we are also doing. So 47,800 CE has given more than 120 points yesterday, and then we had chosen put option. So that also has given more than 100 plus points. Then at the around 3 o'clock we had suggested 47,400 call option. 47,400 call option we have taken minimum quantity, and today we are waiting, we are holding till the expiry. We are expecting to have a retracement. Okay, how it is possible for us to choose 47,800 call option and 48,000 put option and 47,400 call option in the morning itself? How it is possible for us to make continuous consistent profit? It is very easy by using our MST iCore 2.0. So to how to access our indicator, there are only 3 steps. One, go to the trading.com and create one free account, and go to our YouTube channel and type MST School of Trading, and you will be getting our channel. Subscribe, watch our videos, like and share. Also click the bell icon so that whatever videos we are releasing, that will be coming to you immediately. And the third step would be, our indicator is not a free indicator. You will have to subscribe for it. Once it is subscribed, it will be available in your invite only scripts. So the first indicator, so whoever is having franchisee with us, we are creating different indicators for them with their requirement, and then we are giving them. And we are giving an opportunity for everyone to grow with us, so that if you want to have a franchisee with MST iCore 2.0, you are most welcome. You will be getting 7 times profit of your investment. Okay, so now this MST iCore 2.0, you have to click on it only once, that's all. Now it will be loaded. You can keep it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can keep it on any time frame. For better simplicity, I will be keeping in 5 minutes, because most of the traders, they prefer trading in 5 minutes time frame. Now I will replay the market as though market is just opening now. You will be able to see the market moving, market movement and all will be able to see. So now market has opened just, and once the market has opened, immediately we are getting 4 lines formed. Top line 2 and bottom line 2, and middle line is, we are calling it as pivot point or MGR point. So now if buy market, where it will go, only 3 types of market will be there. One is upside trending, downside trending, or sideways. If the market is going towards upper side, we will be selling. If the market is coming down toward downside, we will be buying. So I am showing the example of BANKNIFTY spot. So if you are a trader who is trading in options, we all know call options means, if you buy call option, which means that we are predicting that market will go upside. If you buy put option, we are predicting that market will go downside. This is for option buyers. For option sellers, if you predict that market will go down, you will be selling the call option. If you predict that market will go up, you will be selling the put option. Okay, so this is how we will be doing option buyers and option sellers. So now we are going to be a purely option buyers, because most of the traders who have joined with us are having very small capital. If you're having more than 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, then you can go option selling, that will give you more profit than the option buying. And moreover, to compensate the option sellers with the option buyers, what we are telling, don't ever go for OTM buying, don't ever go for ATM buying also. Whenever buy or sell is activated, take 200 points ITM. Suppose say now market has come down to our buy zone, that is 47,946. Now which strike price we are supposed to choose? Just subtract 200 points from the entry points, that is 47,900 minus 47,900 minus 200, which is equivalent to 47,700 call option. So now we will be ready with 47,700 call option. When the market is nearing to our buy zone, we will be taking at the current market price. Okay. Now go to the settings. Since buy activated, we have to remove the sell. Enable the first buy targets. Also enable second sell targets. Why? If market is reversing without giving the targets, we have to reverse our trade. We should not fight with the market. We should not expect that since we are in a buy trend, market has to be in buy trend. Since we are in sell trend, market has to be in sell trend. So what we are doing, we are merely predicting the market. We are not controlling the market. I repeat, what we are doing, we are merely predicting the market. We cannot predict, we cannot control the market. So now we are ready, our setup is ready. Now 47,700 call option we have bought, but yesterday what I did, instead of taking 47,700 call option, I have taken 47,800 call option. So that is also possible because the premium amount was high. So that is why I have chosen the 47,800 call option. That also has given more than 100 plus points yesterday. So now we are waiting for the target. So far target has not achieved. We are still waiting. Yeah, now target has been hit. 2 targets has been hit perfectly. Now market is reversing. So in such scenario, what we are supposed to do? See here, we have taken entry here. Suppose if we are taking 150 quantity, book 50 quantity at the first target and revise the stop loss to cost to cost. So in this case, 2 targets have been achieved. So after that what will happen? We will be revising the stop loss to first target. When the market is reversing, we will be exiting. So next time when the market is coming down to second sell area, we will be going for the sell entry. Yeah, at this junction I have given to buy 48,000 put option I have given. Okay, see the market how it has performed. First target hit, second target hit. Only thing is you need patience. You have to trust our system. You have to follow the routine. If SL hit, you should not pray for the God to move the market to go in your favor. Instead of that, you just follow what the system has made it for you. So now 2 targets have been hit and 3 targets also hit. And further it is going down. So now here what I have done, here I have made one more important facility, that third buy zone. Whenever market is falling, we know where it will come and from where it will reverse. See here, perfection. At this junction it has come down and it has touched our buy zone. Now it has given the first target. Okay. And today, what we are expecting today, that is on 9th January, if the market is going beyond 47,350, then we can expect more fall. Otherwise, from here to we can expect 47,645. That is around 200 points market has to reverse if the market is opening above yesterday's close. Otherwise, market will go down the side 200 points. Otherwise, market will go 200 points upper side. Whatever happens, it will happen. But for safety, we have taken small quantity of 47,400 call option of this week expiry. Okay. Hope the point is very clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us and watch our videos again and again so that you will get more clarity. And yesterday we have chosen one more stock also, that is the Bell. In Bell we are Bharat Heavy Electricals, we are expecting the targets of 1000 in long term. Okay, in a long run we are expecting 1000 plus points. For short term we are expecting around 290 to 300. So whoever is having facility of investment, they can buy and leave this Bell company. See how it is continuously giving the profit. Previous day sell activated, all the targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. And yesterday also the low made was 193.50 and our entry was 193.63. So exactly buy activated from there to 200.15. So 7 plus points profit we have got. 7 pins. Suppose if we are taking only 1000 share, so 7 into 1000, 7000 rupees profit will be in your hand. And again if we see here, bearish R3C has formed perfectly at this junction, and from here to here also we have got the profit. And yesterday at the end of the market, bullish engulfing has formed. See here, these two candles are called as bullish engulfing. If today market has crossed above 195.65, that is the MGR point, then again market will go to 197, 198, 201, 204. And slowly and gradually it will move and touch the 300 plus targets. So this is how we are trading. This is our methodology. It is very simple. Whoever is willing to join us, they are most welcome. Do not forget to join our free Telegram group called MST School of Trading. Also join our YouTube channel. Hope everyone is making profit along with us in our free as well as in the premium group. For premium group we are not charging anything. That is also free for those who have subscribed our indicator for the lifetime validity. Hope every point is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.